everyone, and welcome to Yummy Cooking with Payshintz. Today I'm making something for you matcha lovers. It's going to be a mini matcha cheesecake. It's an easy recipe with simple ingredients and it's matcha-licious. All right, let's get started. It's hammer time. To make the crust of our mini matcha cheesecakes, I'm going to use 14 Biscoff cookies that I'm going to crush in tiny little pieces. Next, I'm going to get some melted butter and mix them all together with our cookie crumbs. This helps the crust stick together. This will be a no-bake crust. Fill up each of the muffin tins with about 1 tablespoon of the cookie crumbs. Then form the crust by pressing down on each of the tins. And after that, you want to place it in the refrigerator. Filter the matcha powder to make a smooth matcha sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of hot water and mix it together very well. After that, set to the side to cool. Here we have our cream cheese with sugar base. Make sure you leave the cream cheese out for about 1 hour before mixing. This helps break down the cream cheese to a smooth texture. And make sure that your mixer is on low speed. Add heavy cream. This is going to give a rich thickness. And I like rich and thick. Add the matcha sauce. This is going to enhance the matcha flavor in the cheesecake. Include 1 egg and vanilla extract. Make sure your egg is at room temperature. Use a spatula to make sure all the ingredients are combined and that the texture is smooth. Fill up the tins with our matcha cream cheese base. As I'm pouring the mixture in, it has a smooth consistency and a lovely green color. I also leave about a ½ inch of space on the top. This mix will make about 12 mini cheesecakes. Let's get our oven hot and ready. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees and bake the mini matcha cheesecake for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes and I'm going to cool these babies off to the side for about 20 minutes. Then I'm going to replace them in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. Our 1 hour is up, and now I'm going to top them off with a little extra matcha powder. Also adding a cute raspberry for color contrast. Our matcha cheesecake is ready. Let's try it out. I'm so excited. Ooh, you can see it has the Biscoff biscuit on the bottom and the matcha cheesecake on the top. Wow, it's so cute. Nice creamy cheesecake texture with the matcha flavor, and the Biscoff just really enhances this cheesecake. If you want to try an easy, simple, matcha-licious recipe, try this one. Well, thank you for watching and see you next time.